In exercise 1.2, we are asked to evaluate the following by adding the indices. Now we are asked to apply the laws of indices that we have learned, which is the indices law of addition, which states that so long as the basis of those problems you are multiplying are the same, you are required to add their powers. So that 3 raised to the power of 8 times 3 raised to the power of 12 will now be equal to 3 raised to the power of 8 plus 12. Since the bases are equal, we write out the base and thereafter add their powers. So this is equal to 3 raised to the power of 20. This is the indices law of addition. B, 15 to power 3 times 15 to power 2 is said to be equal to 15 to power 3 plus 2, which is equal to 15 to power 5. 3, t raised to the power of 12 times t raised to the power of 13. This is said to be t to power 12 plus 13, which is equal to t to power 15. And for number 4, this is equal to k to power 10 plus 7, which is equal to k to power 17. While for question number 5, this is said to be 5 raised to the power of m plus n. And since you cannot add m plus n because they are not like terms, this is said to be your answer. I'm going to leave question number 6 for you to solve as an assignment. Kindly give me your answer at the comment section. Don't forget, kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You're also advised to share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from this class. Don't forget, I'll be expecting your answers at the comment section. We shall now solve exercise 1.3.